Hello, in this particular algorithm, we are going to see the Bressenham line drawing procedure for computer graphics. We are particularly using this VLabs from IIT Bombay. This particular link is an online platform for simulation of CG algorithms. Previously, we have already done DDA. In this, it is the Bressenham line drawing algorithm. The procedure for the Bressenham line drawing algorithm, let us see. So what is this, the Bressenham line drawing algorithm? In this Bressenham line drawing algorithm, we will assume that our x is always going to be on the incremental side, that is whatever is the scenario, the x direction is always going to increase. But with respect to y, the fractional calculations are going to be done in this case. um, in this case we will observe case situations where a error value is going to be determined, and that particular error value will determine the closeness or the proximity or the how much near one particular point is to the next point. We assume that a particular point is closer to the point on above it, so the pixel on top of that particular current position is going to be selected. If our current point pixel number, suppose say 2.67, so 2.67 is closer to the 3, so the third pixel is going to be selected. If the value is 2.44, it is closer to the 2, so the second pixel is going to be selected. Or much better, if we can say we compare two values at the same time. Suppose say, let us say the top distance is coming to be 2.67 and the below distance is coming to be 2.66, so 2.67 is going to be 2.66 is going to be selected, because that particular distance is that the particular difference is very less. So 2.66 is it's a 0.01 less difference. So that is the Bressenham algorithm. Let us simulate the Bressenham algorithm. So here in this question we have to draw a line from 2 3 to 12 8. It is here. So let us see what is the line going to be. So here we see x is always in the incrementing size, and y is sometimes static and sometimes increasing and sometimes static. This particular y is in the from top to bottom. Thank you.